everyone. Welcome to this new session of Learning English with BodhiSutra. Today, we are going to take a look at a conversation between two friends who are talking about the Tokyo Paralympics 2020. So let's have a look. Hi, Arun. Hey, hi. How are you? I'm good. How about you? What have you been up to? Oh, I'm doing great. Just following the usual daily routine. Yeah, I guess we all are doing the same. By the way, did you see the opening ceremony of the Paralympic Games recently? Paralympic Games? Is that taking place right now? Yes. Did you not know about it? No. To be honest, I followed the Olympics recently, that too because it was in the news constantly. Well, I guess not much has been reported about the Paralympic Games as it was about the Olympics. It's sad to see that. I think the last time I heard about Paralympic Games was when Rio Games took place in the year 2016. Hmm, Possibly because that was the best performance ever by our Indian Paralympic contingent with a total of 4 medals being won. Yes, I think we won 2 gold medals too. True, but sadly, no one knows that we have actually been part of almost every summer Paralympic Games since the year 1968. What? Are you kidding? Definitely not. Even I wasn't aware of this fact until I did some research. Is it? What other interesting facts did you find out about? Well, for instance, before Neeraj Chopra won an Olympic gold medal in javelin throw, we already won a Paralympic gold medal in javelin throw in Athens 2004. Wow, that's amazing. What is the athlete's name? His name is Devendra Jhajaria. He is a two-time Paralympic gold medalist. He won in Athens 2004 and also in Rio 2016. That is mind-blowing. I hope to see him in action at the Tokyo Paralympic Games. You sure can. You check out the full schedule of the games online. Well, I'm definitely looking forward to this now. I wonder why it is not promoted as much as cricket or other Olympic games. Well, it is slowly picking up some popularity with the help of social media, but we have a very long way to go yet. I wonder if the Prime Minister spoke to the Paralympic athletes on phone just the way he spoke to the Olympic Indian contingent. Yes, he did. That simple gesture is such a morale booster for everyone participating. Indeed, I guess the support has to come from the top and from already famous athletes. This will definitely help create awareness amongst people like me. Yes, do you know one of the para badminton athlete is actually a friend from my school? Really? Who? Mansi Joshi. She's the reigning para badminton world champion. We used to go to the same school, lived in the same colony. Wasn't she nominated by BBC as the Indian Sportswoman of the Year award in 2020 alongside PV Sindhu? Yes, that's the one. Her story is just so inspirational. She is an icon. I would love to see her game too this year in the Tokyo Paralympics. Well, sadly, due to some reasons, she will not be seen in this year's Tokyo Paralympics. We hope she comes back stronger for the Paris Games. Oh, yes, let's hope for that. But we still have more to look forward to in this year's Tokyo Games. That's true. In fact, this year we sent the largest Indian Paralympic contingent comprising of 54 athletes participating in 9 different games. Wow, that is so good to hear. This will be inspiring for so many people who wish to pursue para sports as their career. You're right. Being differently abled is no more considered taboo as it wrongly was in earlier days. I think differently abled people are much stronger and resilient than any other human being. Indeed, their grit and willpower is unmatchable. We can all learn a great deal from them. They face so many hurdles, and despite all odds, they are now making a mark in every field. Yes, they deserve every bit of support and recognition from us, whichever way possible. I feel that government must continue its efforts in promoting and investing in these athletes so that they bring more medals each year. Arun, in my opinion, I think the support should be beyond medals. Of course, medals are important, but having a presence and representation at international level is equally important. I understand. You are right. Looking at the recent progresses that we have made, I think we are on the right track. Yes, I guess government needs to continue their efforts in that direction. Not just the government, even we can help promote these games and encourage our athletes. How so? It's very simple. Our biggest tools are social media and the internet. We can post the athletes' stories, encourage their game, share the updates, and create awareness. That's a good idea. It's easy enough. I think I will get right to it. Sure, go ahead. Maybe next time we meet, we will watch the Paralympic Games together and cheer for our country. Sounds like a brilliant plan. See you soon then. Yep, you too. Goodbye. Bye. All right, so this was a conversation between two friends talking about the upcoming Paralympic Games in Tokyo for the year 2020. I hope you enjoyed this conversation. For more such current and trending conversation, watch out for the space. Until then, see you soon.